Welcome! Today in front of me CUBOT Tablet 10 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should just launch the Google application, and after that tap on the right upper corner, then click here to the settings and tap to voice section. After that tap here to voice match and then click no synced, and to activate Hey Google feature click once on the switcher. After that tap to voice model and click retain voice model to add Google your voice to Google Assistant to recognize you. And now just say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now just tap here to finish on the right down corner. And now when I'll say just okay Google or hey Google, we can see that this feature is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.